Hello students, I Neela ma'am here. Today I am going to teach you about natural world. Topic is global environmental concerns. One of the most important characteristics of environmental degradation is that it affects all mankind on a global scale. Environmental issues of global significance are: first is ozone layer depletion. The ozone layer in the stratosphere acts as an efficient filter for the harmful ultraviolet rays. So, ozone depletion, it is, as you know, chlorofluorocarbons and halogens gases formerly found in aerosol spray cans and refrigerants are released into the atmosphere. Then chlorofluorocarbons and halogens cause what? Chemical reactions that break down ozone molecules, reducing ozone's ultraviolet radiation absorbing capacity. And this ozone layer, this is in the stratosphere, which acts as an efficient filter for the harmful ultraviolet rays. This stratosphere is the part of the Earth's atmosphere which extends from the top of the troposphere to about 30 miles or 50 kilometers above the surface, and in which temperature increases gradually to about 32 degree Fahrenheit and clouds rarely form. So this is about stratosphere. This part of the Earth's atmosphere, it extends from the top of the troposphere to about 30 miles or 50 kilometer. So the ozone layer in the stratosphere acts as an efficient filter for the harmful ultraviolet rays. The thinning of the ozone layer at the South Pole especially is being called the ozone hole. Then ozone depletion process begins when chlorofluorocarbons used in refrigerators and air conditioners are emitted into the atmosphere. This is due to chlorofluorocarbons which is used in refrigerators and air conditioners are emitted into the atmosphere. So these are the root causes for ozone layer depletion. So then comes global warming. What is global warming here? Global warming. Over the last 100 years, it was found that the earth is getting warmer and warmer. Warmer and warmer. The present temperature is 0.3 degree to 0.6 degree Celsius warmer than it was 100 years ago. The key greenhouse gas that causes global warming is carbon dioxide. Some natural occurring greenhouse gases include methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone. Methane is emitted as a result of decomposition of organic waste in municipal solid landfills. Global warming potential measures the influence greenhouse gases have on natural greenhouse effect. So global warming means कि earth is getting warmer and warmer and the present temperature is 0.3 degree to 0.6 degree warmer than it was 100 years ago. This is global warming and this is due to which gases? Carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide and ozone. Then comes about here loss of biodiversity. Loss of biodiversity. So what do you mean by biodiversity? It means the variety of plants and animal life in the world or in a particular habitat, a high level of which is usually considered to be important and desirable. So biodiversity refers to the variety of life on the earth and its biological diversity. Climate change is affecting species already threatened by multiple threats across the globe. Droughts and wildfires. Yes, drought means when there is no rain for a period of time. Then droughts and wildfires will also increase. Climate change can also change the balance between species and might lead to forest destruction. Forest destruction, this is due to wildfires and droughts. Then climate change can also change the balance between species and might lead to forest destruction. This is due to global environmental concerns. There is loss of biodiversity also due to global environmental concerns. So we should try to make efforts so that this global warming can be minimized. Okay. Now in this chapter, why brush your teeth? Just based on life skill. Yes, I think you are brushing your teeth daily. Yes. So why do we brush our teeth? Dentists recommend that brush your teeth for 3 minutes twice a day to prevent tooth decay and gum disease. Brushing with toothpaste removes plaque. Plaque is what? A sticky layer of bacteria and food that coats the teeth. When you don't brush your teeth, then a sticky layer of bacteria and food coats the teeth. There is a layer of plaque on our teeth when we don't brush. If the plaque is not removed, it can lead to tooth decay. It can lead to tooth decay and it will cause tooth cavity. So here, read the descriptions given below and know about your teeth. Okay. So, milk teeth. Milk teeth start forming while a baby is still in the mother's womb. Babies start teething when they are around 6 months old and the first teeth begin to emerge. By the age of 2 years, a child will usually have a full set of how many teeth? 20 milk teeth. This set of the teeth is temporary. Okay? When the child reaches 5 or 6 years, the milk teeth start to fall out, making way for adult teeth. When the child reaches 5 or 6 years, the milk teeth start to fall out, making way for adult teeth, for that permanent teeth. Temporary teeth, yes, milk teeth. Milk teeth are temporary teeth. And after how many years? When the child reaches 5 or 6 years, the milk teeth start to fall out, making way for adult teeth. Then in many English speaking countries, children believe that if they place a milk tooth under their pillow at night, the tooth fairy will exchange it for money. In Spanish speaking countries, a mouse collects the teeth. In India also na, some children say कि उनका दांत कौन ले गया? चूहा ले गया ना. तो छोटे बच्चों के लिए बोलते हैं ना, आपका दांत कौन ले गया? तो बोलते हैं वो a mouse has collected the teeth. So tooth types. Here there are 4 types of tooth. First is incisors, canines, second, third premolar, and 4 is molars. So what is the function of this first type of teeth? Here incisors function is chisel like teeth used for cutting food. Number in mouth, how many incisors in our mouth? Here 8. These are used for cutting food. Second is canine. These are sharp pointed teeth used for tearing and gripping food. Number of canines in mouth is how many? 4. Then premolars. Premolars are ridged teeth used for crushing and grinding food. Number of premolars in our mouth? 8. How many? 8. Then comes molars. These are the teeth with a broad surface used to grind food before swallowing. Number of molars in our mouth, how many? 12. You can count how many incisors, canines, premolars and molars are there in your mouth. Okay. So if you will brush your teeth daily, then there will not be tooth decay. Teeth also make our smile nice. If teeth are white, shiny, then these teeth makes our smile very nice. So brush your teeth for 3 minutes twice a day. Twice a day means when you get up early in the morning, you should brush your teeth, then have breakfast. Then at night, before going to bed, you should brush your teeth. Okay? When you will brush your teeth, you will not get tooth decay. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day. Stay alert, stay healthy. Stay alert, stay healthy. Thank you. Have a nice day.